for Infinix only. First, turn off the phone. Second step, hold press volume up button and power on or off. Please follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Third step, choose wipe data or factory reset. Use volume up and down to choose category. Fourth step, press power on and off to select. Please follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.